A newborn doesn't begin with knowledge of stars, language, love, or loss. The brain starts with minimal structured world models and builds them over time. That growth isn't magic, it's powered by physics. The brain is an open system that consumes energy, exports entropy, and uses that energy gradient to wire itself into increasingly integrated, differentiated networks. Local complexity rises because the system dissipates energy into its surroundings. The universe did something similar. From an early low entropy state, expansion and gravity allowed structure to form. Stars, planets, life. While total entropy increased, complexity doesn't violate decay, it rides on it. And just as the cosmos evolves, so do we. As repair costs rise and constraints tighten, integration fades. Mind isn't created in spite of thermodynamics. It exists because energy gradients temporarily allow structure to persist.